This is actually one of my favorite features of the van, is this bulkhead door that we had. It actually came with the van, and originally I thought I was going to have to remove it, but after thinking about it for a little bit, it seemed like it was kind of nice to partition off the driving area from the living area. It makes this whole place seem like a little studio apartment. So this door and the wall is made of steel, and it was designed to keep the occupants safe if you have a bunch of tools in the back in case of an impact. So we took some shiplap, the same shiplap that we used for the rest of the walls, and we finished up this area. I finished up the door, sprayed it white, and we used a piece of plywood over here to make it a pocket door. And this whole thing is insulated. When you're in a cold climate, most of your heat is going out through your windows, and there's a lot of open window area up there, but with this bulkhead door, it's insulated, so it keeps this area nice and toasty. Speaking of insulation, we actually have every surface in this van as insulated as possible because we wanted it to be comfortable all 4 seasons. So in the bulkhead, we have 3/4 inch styrofoam. In the floor and ceiling, it's 1.5 inch XPS. And then in the walls, it's 1 inch polyisocyanurate. And anywhere that the foam board wouldn't fit, we either use spray foam insulation or Reflectix. Click here to watch the full van tour. We're also uploading our van build series showing how we built out this van for just $8,000. Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when a new video drops.